Pt.10, honk the scream. Here. Oh wait, oh shit, my glasses. What are you gonna do with them?
Put them in my pocket.
If they break, I swear to God.
They will not break.
There's a lens!
We'll clean it when we get back.
Alright. Oh, another car. Hey, what happened to the knife? Oh,
I haven't. You gave it to me. Honk the scream starting off differently this time.
Now you can't see my hair. Oh, wait, oh, never mind. Honk the scream! You know what? I swear to fucking God, I'm gonna go off on these people tonight. Hey guys, wanna know something funny?
What?
What is it, Tyler? I don't even remember half the shit I do on here, okay? When I watch the videos, I'm just as surprised as you are, guys.
Yeah,
show this to your friends.
Okay, it's back in focus now.
Upper right corner. I love it. Okay. Honk for scream! Honk out! Honk it! No, fucking fuck! What?
I'll just laugh. This is so funny.
Doesn't fit. Nope. Honk your horn! Come on, take it.
Hey guys, if a cop manages to come up again, I will try to get as much as him.
I'm gonna learn how to say honk or scream in Spanish.
Yes, victory!
Record the scream dance.
There's the RV.
Record the scream dance. Back up. You have to see my whole body. You ready?
I'm gonna start naming the episodes like part 10, the scream dance. This is what it's gonna be called.
Honk or scream!
Dude, I thought you were jumping in the street. That's a fucked up car.
Piece of shit. Honk your horn! Is that a cop? Honk your horn! Honk your horn, please!
Yes, 2 victories.
Why? Nobody beeped.
Yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
I will let you listen to this. He beeped. We have 2 victories right now. He beeped. No running in the street anymore,
yeah,
unless if it's real quick. Like just up to there.
I'm as cold as the cold wind blows the... Don't worry about it. We're advertising.
Like we're not gonna be standing in the middle of the street anymore.
Honk for speed!
Oh, hey guys, you wanna know the weirdest thing? We were on a bike ride today, and we passed the same cop.
Oh, we passed his car at least. Now we know where that motherfucker lives.
That's why I turned down there. You look like dreadlocks right now in the back when you put that thing up. Not really, but you look like the Rasta hat.
Honk for scream! Honk for scream! Oh shit! Yeah, honk for scream! Oh, stroke it. Hey. Hey.
No. You're getting so competitive. I'm actually scared of you now. Don't kill my wife. What wife?
What boyfriend are you talking about?
Shut up. I'm really not gay, just to let you people know.
Yeah, he is.
No, I'm
He just
not.
hasn't come out of the closet yet.
No, I'm not. Maybe with you, but no, not really. Stop hitting me.
I need some water.
It feels nice. No.
Oh, look at Stream's dead. Oh, he's crying. Look at what you made him do, Michael.
But it's you. Ice Mountain.
Hey, full moon tonight. Oh. All right. That means it's time for scream. Hey, that means it's time for
out of focus and out of focus.
Tell me when it's back in focus.
It's not. This looks gonna look like shit. There we go.
Alright, that means Scream is off his leash. Don't worry, mine's on the ground.
Here's his rolling.
Hey.
Car. Make him on.
Honk your horn! Please, honk your horn!
Honk! No?
What? I am gonna fucking... Don't get me started. Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
Yeah, 3 victories. I think that's your dad.
We've already gotten 3 victories. Honk your horn!
No. We've gotten 3 victories.
Shit.
I have to take a drink of my water soon.
My friend has anxiety problems.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I just get overly excited, that's all.
What's his anxiety? Here, you need to take a drink of your water?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, let me take it.
How about you record from Scream's view for a little bit?
Alright, this is Scream's point of view, everybody.
Sorry about that, the camera closed for a second, but
alright, this is Scream's point of view. Alright. Honk your horn! Come on. Everything I see, you see. Honk for horn! Wait, I just said honk for horn. Honk for horn! Honk for Scream! No? Fucking people. Hey, you want to take this?
yeah, honk for
I
corn.
hate this shit.
Honk for horn or honk for corn?
I said honk for corn.
We won't give you corn if you honk your horn.
Honk for Scream! Come on, honk, and I'll give you a blowjob. I'll give you a blowjob, ball.
You are.
Look at my shadow. Look at my shadow.
You're a whore.
Car. Honk for Scream!
Yeah! Honk again! Yeah!
That's what we like to see. Come by Central Avenue and you can see us.
Again, I hope this is not a count.
Honk for Scream! Honk your horn!
Yikes.
Yeah, 5 victories.
Dude, we
5
got like
victories.
6 for 5. This is our best night ever.
Except for part 8, we got none, and then the cop came.
Yeah, that was 9. 9 the cop came.
Yeah, I know, but it was the same day.
Oh. Where's everybody?
Like we said.
Another car right there. Oh.
Right here.
Can't breathe. Honk for Scream! I can't breathe right now.
Want to take a break?
Want to end part 9 here? We've already gotten 6.
This is
I mean,
part 10.
part 10, you know what I mean.
I guess so.
Yeah, we gotta do like 12 parts.
But we will have more parts. So.
Yeah, alright. Watch part 11 later,
And the part
guys.
10. 11's gonna be up right after this.
Alright, later, guys.
Bye.